Hello guys, welcome to my channel English with Basraj sir. I am Basraj, an English teacher. Those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe immediately and help me. Well, today's lesson is about adverbs of place. Adverbs of place, uh, it answers the questions where the event takes place or the location of place where the event is going on. For example, uh, the match is the match was held at the Maharaja Stadium in Mysore. It is an adverb of place. Don't look uh, above or below while riding. Above or below, they are all adjective adverbs of adverbs. So, next example is uh, come here for a minute. Come here for a minute. I searched everywhere. I searched everywhere. The old woman searched for her lost coin everywhere. What are you doing up there? So, up is an adverb of place. Up, down, below, under, above, everywhere, nowhere. All these are adverbs. ಸೊ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ರಿಯಾ ವಿಶೇಷಣಗಳು. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ, ಒಂದು ಘಟನೆ, ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಅಡ್ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್: ಹಿಯರ್, ದೇರ್, ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್, ನೋವೇರ್, ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್, ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್, ಅಪ್ಸ್ಟೇರ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಅಬೌಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್: outside, inside, above, below, around, beside, between. These are all about positions. Then directions: up, down, away, like that, away, eastwards, southwards, like that. Distance: near, nearby, far away, like that. ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಈ ಅಬೌವ್ adverbs of place ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವೇರ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್. ಈ ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ನ ಒತ್ತಿ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು